Today I'm going to be showing you how to add menus, pages and panels. It's really simple. So I'll just tell you what menus are. Menus are up here. This is a menu that drops down into submenus of submenus. I'll show you where panels are. The panels that I'm talking about are these, 1, 2, 3 are panels. And pages. I'll just show you an example of a page. We'll just go into entry requirements. Here I have a banner on this page, I have a calendar on the page, and then I have just a lovely heading. I have no content yet, but that's really simple to add, so I'll just show you how to do that now. I've logged in as admin. I'm going to menus. I'm going to go to either header 1 or header 2 to add a menu to the top bar of the home page, which is here. Header 1, header 2. I'm going to add a menu to header 2, which is, I want it to be a blue one, so I'm going to add that now. Add menu, menu 1 I'm going to call it. I can't link it to a page just yet because I haven't created the page, but it's going to be a submenu of info. I'm going to add it, and then I'm going to go to the front end and see what it looks like. I'm going to go to info, refresh always, menu 1. It's a lovely blue one because it's only a submenu of info. Now I'm going to add a submenu of our menu 1, which is, it's going to just be something like this, but underneath menu 1, okay? I'm going to add a menu. I'm going to go submenu 1. I can't link it to a page just yet because again I haven't created the page. And it's going to be a submenu of menu 1. Oh look, it's down here. Add. I always save. Back to the front, refresh as always, open it up, and here is my submenu of menu 1. So submenu basically of a submenu. Now I'm going to add a page. I'm going to go back in and as an admin into the back end. I'm going to go to the left hand side and pick pages. On the left hand side you'll see pages I've already created, but right now I'm going to add a brand new page. So I'm going to select pages again. I'm going to select actions, add page. I'm going to call this sub menu 1 because this is the page I'm going to link to that lovely grey submenu that I already created. I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to make the heading be submenu 1, and I'm going to say a little bit of blurb, a little bit of content. I'm going to make this submenu 1 bold and bigger to be a heading. So how I do that is I highlight it, I go up to normal here and I change it to heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Right now I'm going to change it to heading 1. I'm not going to change this because this is just my content. I'm going to keep that as normal. I'm going to hit save. Now I've created a page. Very simple. Now I'm going to connect my page to the menu, which I called submenu 1. So I'm going to connect it to this one. I'm not going to bother creating a page to connect to this one because I like that it's blue. It's not going to, I don't want it leading to another page, but I want this one to lead to a page. Okay. So that's the next thing. I'm going to connect it. Now I'm going to connect my page to that menu I created earlier on. So I'm going to go back up to menus again. I'm going to go to where I created it, which was in header 2. I'm going to go find it, and it's here, submenu. Now I'm going to connect the page. Find the page I just created, which was called submenu 1. Here it is in my drop down, and now I'm going to hit save. I'm on the front of the site again, just to double check I've done everything correctly. I'm on the front end. I'm going to go to info. I'm going to go find my submenu 1. I'm going to click on it. And here's my lovely page with my heading 1 and then my content. So we've completed adding menus, adding a page, and connecting them. Now I'm going to talk about adding panels, which are these 3 boxes. Usually we have the 3 already created, so I would always just edit these 3. I would never add a brand new one, just because these are placed lovely and we don't want to put in 4 boxes or 5 boxes and put it out of alignment. So today I'm just going to edit this courses panel, and to do that I'm going to go into panels. I'm going to go onto the left hand side and I'm going to go panels, and I'm going to search the panel which was courses. Oh look, it's here. I'm going to click into it. I know what is it because look, my image and everything corresponds with it. It's called courses. So now I'm going to just edit it. I have it right now going to the available results page, but I'm going to have it going to the sub menu page that we created previously. My text in here says view more. You can see that's where that's coming from. The word courses, we might edit that just to say something else. And that's coming from up here. Okay, we just renamed the panel and I'm going to hit save. I'm going to go into the front and I'm going to refresh. And I called it submenu 1. I'm going to view more and it's brought me to submenu 1 page, the page which I already linked it to. I'm just going to go through that one more time. I'm going to go into the back end. I'm going to go down to panel, select panels. I can either go into ones I've already just been in, or I can just see the whole list or search the one I was just in. So right now I'm going to edit submenu 1. I'm going to change it to say test panel. Okay, that is changed. I'm going to keep the page link to be submenu 1 page. Now I'm going to just change the image. Instead of these boys in the classroom, I'm going to change it to the bales. Okay, bales of hay. I'm going to keep my view more the same. You could always just change it to click here. But view more I think looks nicer. And I'm going to save. Going to refresh the front, and here's my test panel and my image has changed. That is pages, panels and menus added. You're creating a page and you're linking a page to a menu or a panel. Very simple.